In this Rapid Profits online review, I'm going to go through everything you need to know about this hands-off method for pulling in profits 24/7. Rapid Profits. Get the exact process we've used to build multiple six-figure businesses with this simple hands-off method for pulling in profits 24/7 on Cruise Control. Click here to get 90% off now and claim your $870 in free bonus gifts. Finally, you can leverage our proven rapid profit system that has sold over $23 million worth of products and services combined, without investing a fortune and without wasting years of your life. Dear marketer, we're doing something special right now which quite frankly is unheard of in the internet marketing community. If you'd like to crank out six-figure digital products and keep all the profits without creating any content yourself, and if you'd like to pull in triple-digit commissions daily without a huge subscriber list or any technical experience, then this is the most important product you'll ever buy. Here's why. For the first time ever, the teacher, John, and his most successful student, Amar, have teamed up to bring you a $23 million rock-solid, proven system that you can put into practice today. John and his students have used these tactics to generate over $17 million in product sales online, and his top student, Amar, has perfected the process with over $8 million in sales as well. In fact, in a single month, John personally used what you're getting here to bring in $104,170.53 in sales. And that's just one of his accounts. He has several. Not only that, but following in his footsteps, Omar has become one of the top 3% affiliates in the industry in the last 360 days, raking in over 28,500 plus affiliate sales on JVZoo alone, and he promotes on several other platforms as well. As we can see here, Omar and Melinda Martin, Higher Level Strategies Incorporated. Omar and Melinda Martin are known as the Internet Marketing Power Couple. This husband and wife team have been online marketers since 2007. Their company, Higher Level Strategies, develops software, tools, and training for online businesses and newbies. We can see their number of sales, 43,000 plus, average product rating, 4.5 stars, affiliate top 3%. This product is very different than anything you've ever bought because it cuts through all the noise and gives you the exact roadmap for success as both an affiliate and a vendor. Here's what it's all about. Do you have the time and patience to spend months or years of your life trying to create your own digital product from scratch, and then endure years of agonizing trial and error to figure out how to get traffic that profitably converts into sales? Because after creating well over 400 digital products between the two of us, we can tell you from experience, creating a digital product is not easy, and creating a digital product that sells is even harder. In fact, it might just be the most difficult and most time-consuming work you'll ever do. To create your own digital products from scratch, you need to do niche research, create an outline, create the content, get graphics designed, write the sales copy, build your sales funnel, create your members area, set up a payment processor, write email follow-ups, create JV promo tools, and the list goes on. If that's the model you've been trying to follow, you'd better have deep pockets. In fact, that's why a lot of people steer clear of product creation and turn to affiliate marketing instead. Because product creation requires a lot of your money and a lot of your time slaving away at the computer, hoping and praying to make little money, if any money at all. You've probably tried your luck with affiliate marketing, only to find out that it's just as hard to sell other people's products as it is to sell your own. Breaking news, affiliate marketing is a catch-22. Those who turn to affiliate marketing as a way avoid creating their own products quickly realize they need products of their own to use as bonuses in their affiliate promotions. Every affiliate and his mother is offering bonuses for the same product you are trying to promote. How will you ever compete? You just can't win. You'll fail if you don't have a buyer's list, you'll fail because you lack an audience, and you'll go broke pouring money into paid ads and traffic before figuring out a winning formula. We've been there. Here's the bottom line. You want to make more money now, not later, right? Well, there's no need to mess around with all those confusing and outdated steps. Content marketing, writing articles and blog posts for months or years on end without even one single sale to show for all your blood, sweat and tears. Social media, search engine optimization, Facebook, Google and YouTube ads, or any of the stuff you've tried that's probably never even worked for you. If you want to start making reliable money online as fast as humanly possible, you simply need to follow our tried, tested and proven process. Rapid profits. Your shortcut to go from $0 to $100,000 per year online as fast as humanly possible. Without a mailing list, without complicated funnels, without running ads, and without spending months giving away free stuff while making your own hours and enjoying your life. You'll also discover the number one most costly mistake almost all online marketers are making today. If you're doing this, and I'd say you probably are, it's costing you untold millions of dollars, and worse, years of your life you'll never get back. Why selling digital assets is the hottest opportunity on the planet right now. A sneaky way to get your hands on millions of dollars of done-for-you digital marketing research. You'll instantly know which are the hottest selling products in the market today. How to pick a niche that gives you the highest possible chance of success right out of the gate. Discover the tiny market, big money blueprint we use to laser focus on niche markets overflowing with cash. Why you don't need a mailing list, a big budget, or any experience to start making 6 figures a year selling online. What type of digital assets should you sell? Get this right and you're on easy street. Get it wrong, you could be making the long, lonely and humiliating walk to bankruptcy court. John's tested and proven 4-step roadmap for creating your first digital asset within days, instead of weeks or months. This is the exact step-by-step plan used by 2 of his clients to grow their online businesses into mid-7-figure businesses in their respective markets in record time. How to launch your digital asset to a crowd that is ready and waiting to buy, without wasting months or years of your life giving away free stuff to build a relationship with people who will likely never spend a single penny with you. What John did to take his little spare room business from $3,000 a month side venture to a $50,000 a month cash cow, and he only invested a few hours each week of my time to do it. Module 1. Finding hungry buyers. Learn the super fast way to assemble laser targeted audiences and attract buyers. Game over. This one strategy is worth the price of admission alone because it will change the entire trajectory of your business. Finally, realize the hook in your marketing that will always attract your perfect buyer. This skill will ensure that you always create high converting and profitable affiliate campaigns. Learn how to lasso your prospects so they become loyal repeat buyers, and you will consistently make money from them month in and month out. Learn the modern way to do affiliate marketing 101, so you will finally rid yourself of all the time-consuming, busy work that you were told would make you commissions. Unveil the secret that's been hiding in plain sight, so you will always do this first, to almost guarantee that every affiliate promotion nets you at least 3 figures. Discover how you can pay to win even faster, so you can tap into the super affordable source of paid targeting traffic that is cheap and ripe for the picking right now. Module 2. Choosing products wisely. Unlock the secret vault to high-performing affiliate products that you can promote. You need this because you'll never have to worry about getting approved to promote the proven moneymakers. Learn exactly how to find the hidden gems in the marketplace, so you no longer have to waste hours and hours looking for good products and vendors that are willing to approve you. Use our reliable method to weed out the losers, so every single product you promote will now be something that your consumers will absolutely love and thank you for. Discover the most reliable types of digital product to promote for the win online, so that you can cash in big time without having to deal about shipping and fulfillment nightmares. Tap into the $678 billion e-com market by cleverly inserting physical product alternatives in your marketing. This will create invisible profit streams that will pay you for years to come. Leverage our smart promotion tactics to squeeze the most money out of every single click, so you will be able to maximize your profits with little or no efforts. Module 3, making it rain. Harness the most reliable methods for selling other people's products profitably and consistently on any platform. This is important because you'll finally be in a position to get money coming in long term, reliably, with minimal efforts. Leverage the most modern methods to stack the deck in your favour when promoting products. This tactic will give you an unfair advantage in the most crowded marketplaces. Learn the strategic affiliate tactics that super affiliates have been using on you successfully for years. Now you'll be able to stand out and command the attention of buyers in your niche. Take hold of our unspoken affiliate sales amplifiers to insert in your marketing without any technical nonsense. You'll be able to multiply your profits with these simple tweaks. Learn exactly how to attract and capture your buyers the right way so that every one of your proposals will actually want you to email them and recommend products. Harness the expert copywriting tricks that create compelling email persuasion so you'll finally be able to effortlessly write concise and highly persuasive emails that make customers throw money at you. Module 4, Affiliate Profit Hacks. Learn the super fast way to assemble laser targeted audiences and attract buyers. Game over. This one strategy is worth the price of admission alone because it will change the entire trajectory of your business. Unlock the advanced commissions getting techniques used by super affiliates. These are simple tactics you can use right now to dominate just about any launch contest. Learn how to quickly create back to front funnels without any special computer skills. Now you will be able to leverage a unique way of driving massive amounts of targeted clicks. Unlock the high ticket webinar secrets for affiliates so you can earn $297, $697, and even $997 commissions, even if you have no list and no products of your own. Master the most trusted and reliable ways to create solid evergreen campaigns that pay you nice monthly commissions forever. You'll be able to underwrite your whole business with this one skill. Learn how to crush the launch scene even if you are brand spanking new, wet behind the ears newbie. You need this one skill enormously because it will empower you to make money, especially if you have no list. Bonus number 1, Rapid Digital Assets Virtual Coaching. Total value, $197. Bonus number 2, How to Become an Overnight Success. Total value, $197. Bonus number 3, Fill in the blanks Rapid Digital Asset Creation Worksheet. Total value, $97. Bonus number 4, the 6-figure launch mind maps. Total value, $47. Bonus number 5, Rapid Digital Assets Advanced Audio Series. Total value, $97. Bonus number 6, Affiliate Marketing 101. Total value, $47. Bonus number 7, Online Income Automation. Total value, $47. Bonus number 8, the Online Money Process. Total value, $47. Bonus number 9, Drive Capture Mail. Total value, $47. Bonus number 10, Lead Rush. Total value, $47. Try Rapid Profits for 60 days, and if you don't love it, get 100% of your money back. Here's how it works. We 100% guarantee that you'll love this product, or we'll return your $19.95. That's it, period. You can kick the tires and take the entire product on a test drive for 2 full months. If you're not fully convinced this is worth it, just email us within the next 60 days and we'll give you your money back with no questions asked. How's that for fair? Here's everything you get when you order Rapid Profits online today. Rapid Digital Assets ebook, Rapid Affiliate Profits video series, Rapid Digital Assets virtual coaching, How to Become an Overnight Success, Fill in the blanks product creation worksheet, the 6-figure product launch mind maps, the Rapid Digital Assets audio series, Affiliate Marketing 101, Online Income Automation, The Online Money Process, Drive, Capture Mail, Lead Rush. Total value of $991.95. But get your copy today for only $19.95 for a limited period. Don't hesitate to work with them. This is from Laura Castleman, CEO of JVZoo. I had the pleasure of being coached by Amar and Melinda Martin. What I learned is that the Martins will leave no stone unturned and no questions unanswered, and they will be there for you long after to help you. After working with the Martins, you'll know that the only way to fail is to disregard what you've learned from them. There is a way to do business, and there is a better way with the Martins. Do it. Don't ever hesitate to work with them. Rapid Profits. Thank you for watching this Rapid Profits Online review.